Hey, how's it going? This is Rob McCarty from Illust, and I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to be able to use the studio to be able to place any photo, video, or 3D object into the world. So, if you go to studio.illust.ar, you'll get brought to the screen for the studio. It's a little stark right now, but if you click login, it's going to ask you which wallet address you want to log in with. So be sure to ask us to be on the whitelist in order to gain access to the studio. So I'm going to accept this transaction. This one's ready to go. I'm going to sign it. And this is basically our login flow. So now once I'm in the studio, I can click create piece. And if you made placements in before with the wallet address you logged in with, then you'll see them show up here. But yeah, so for this one, I'm going to just do a quick placement with the the create piece button in the top right corner. So once I get here, this is the basic module for publishing. The three ones that we're going to use are general data, world tracking, and effects. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's going to be Rob's test piece. Just click generate for a slug. This basically creates a URL for the piece that's being placed in the world. Make sure you copy your wallet address that you're using to be able to be on the piece. This way it's affiliated with your map when you're publishing. And then in order to upload a 3D model, I click upload file and make sure it's a GLB. So I click upload file, I grab this passport GLB that's here. Boom. Cool. So now I have the 3D piece in the scene. But if I don't want a 3D piece, I don't have a GLB, and GLB is the only accepted file for right now. I can upload a photo or video. So here it says poster. Poster is for a photo. So let's go ahead and do a photo of a video. Get really meta here. So as you can see, now it's placed in the studio. I have this placement of a photo. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and do a video just to complete the types. So let's go ahead and do this one. This is I would recommend if anyone's doing a video, just keep it under 15 megabytes, just so that the render time is nice and slow. That just makes it really easy for the system to be to be aware or to be able to render the experience. So actually, let's set this video at been like 300 megabytes. So let me do something separate from that. There we go, 3 megabytes. Let's give that a shot. Cool. All right, nice and short. So cool. Now I'm gonna add a description that shows up in the AR scene. I can choose what kind of media type. This one's gonna be a video, so I'm gonna click video. It's already recognized it, but if it was like cannabis, I could put that, and this shows up on the map as like a pinpoint. So I'm gonna select video for now. And now I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna figure out where I want to live in the world. So I'm gonna say uh, Times Square, New York. There we go. Now it's gonna jump over to Times Square, New York. And there it is. There's the placement. It's gonna be right here. I could double click anywhere on the map, and I can kind of figure out where I want it to go. And that's really all of the main. I guess for this tutorial, in the next video, I'm gonna share with you some of the things you can do with the scene. But as far as making a quick placement with a photo or video or 3D object, this is how you do it. So make sure you click save. That's really important. And now if I go to the map on the Illust application, I will see the piece show up.